Net Promoter Score (NPS) surveys are a widely used customer satisfaction and loyalty measurement tool. The surveys consist of a single question that asks customers to rate their likelihood of recommending a company's products or services to a friend or colleague on a scale of 0 to 10. The score is calculated by subtracting the percentage of detractors, 0 to 6 score, from the percentage of promoters, 9 to 10 score. The score can range from -100 to 100. Here is a detailed explanation of how NPS surveys work. Develop survey question. The survey question should be simple, clear, and easy to understand. The 0 to 10 scale should be used to gauge the likelihood of recommendation. The question should be relevant to the customer's experience with the company's products or services. Select target audience. Choose the group of customers you want to survey. This can be based on demographics, previous interactions, or recent purchases. The target audience should be representative of the company's customer base. Distribute the survey. Send the survey to the target audience through email, SMS, in-app notifications, or any other medium that is convenient for the customer. It is important to ensure a high response rate by offering incentives, following up with non-responders, and making the survey easy to complete. Collect responses. Collect the responses and compile the data. This can be done manually or through a survey software. The data should be accurate, reliable, and up-to-date. Calculate NPS. The NPS is calculated by subtracting the percentage of detractors, 0 to 6 score, from the percentage of promoters, 9 to 10 score. The score can range from -100 to 100. Analyze results. The results should be analyzed to understand the reasons for high or low NPS scores. Feedback from detractors should be taken into consideration for improvements. The results should also be compared to industry benchmarks to gauge performance. Use the results. Use the results to make informed decisions and improvements in your products or services. Regularly conduct NPS surveys to monitor customer satisfaction levels. The results can be used to identify strengths and weaknesses, allocate resources, and make data-driven decisions. Benefits of NPS surveys include: easy to administer. NPS surveys are simple and quick to administer, making them a cost-effective way to measure customer satisfaction. The single question format also makes it easy for customers to provide feedback. Provides a single metric. NPS provides a single metric that measures customer loyalty, making it easy to track over time and compare with industry benchmarks. The simplicity of the score makes it easy to communicate results to stakeholders. Helps prioritize improvements. Feedback from detractors can be used to prioritize improvements and allocate resources effectively. The results can be used to identify areas for improvement and allocate resources where they are needed most. Increases customer loyalty. Regular NPS surveys can help companies identify areas for improvement and increase customer loyalty through better customer experiences. The results can be used to make improvements that lead to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. Supports data-driven decision-making. NPS surveys provide valuable data that can be used to make informed decisions about the business. The results can be used to track performance, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions. Expected outcomes and results from NPS surveys include: improved customer satisfaction. NPS surveys can help companies identify areas for improvement and make changes that lead to increased customer satisfaction. Increased customer loyalty by regularly conducting NPS surveys. The Ultimate Question 2.0 by Fred Reichheld is a book that provides a comprehensive guide to measuring and improving customer loyalty using the Net Promoter Score (NPS) system. Here are the key highlights of the book in detail. The importance of measuring customer loyalty. The author argues that customer loyalty is a critical success factor for businesses and that measuring customer loyalty should be a top priority. The book provides evidence that customer loyalty is a better predictor of a company's long-term success than traditional metrics like customer satisfaction. The Net Promoter Score, NPS. The NPS is introduced as a simple and effective way to measure customer loyalty. The book provides a step-by-step explanation of how the NPS is calculated and how it can be used to improve business performance. The NPS is based on a single question: how likely is it that you would recommend our company/product/service to a friend or colleague? The answer to this question is used to classify customers into one of three categories: promoters, passives, and detractors. The ultimate question. The book explains why the ultimate question is such a powerful tool for measuring customer loyalty. The author argues that the question is effective because it provides valuable insights into customer satisfaction and loyalty, and it is easy to understand and use. The author also provides tips on how to use the question to get the most out of customer feedback. The role of customer feedback. The book emphasizes the importance of customer feedback and how it can be used to drive improvements and increase customer loyalty. The author argues that companies should actively seek customer feedback and use it to inform business decisions. The book provides best practices for collecting and analyzing customer feedback, including tips on how to design effective surveys, how to analyze the data, and how to use the results to make improvements. Best practices for NPS implementation. The book provides best practices for implementing the NPS system, including selecting the right target audience, distributing the survey, collecting and analyzing the data, and using the results to make improvements. The author provides specific tips on how to implement the NPS system in various industries and how to use the results to drive business improvements. Case studies. The book includes case studies of companies that have successfully used the NPS system to improve customer loyalty and business performance. The case studies provide practical examples of how the NPS system can be implemented in various industries, including retail, financial services, and technology. The case studies highlight the key benefits of using the NPS system, such as increased customer loyalty, improved customer satisfaction, and increased profitability. The future of NPS. The book concludes with a discussion of the future of NPS and how it will continue to evolve and become increasingly important for businesses in the years to come. The author argues that the NPS system will become an increasingly important tool for businesses as they strive to improve customer loyalty and business performance. The book provides insights into how the NPS system will continue to evolve and become more sophisticated, and how businesses can stay ahead of the curve. In conclusion, The Ultimate Question 2.0 provides a comprehensive guide to measuring and improving customer loyalty using the NPS system. The book provides valuable insights into the importance of customer loyalty, the NPS system, and how to use the system to drive business improvements. The book is a must-read for anyone interested in improving customer loyalty and business performance.